Okay, so another video for me today. Hi and welcome. Happy Easter Monday. I hope we're all doing well. And April the 1st as well. Hope you weren't tricked into anything horrendous today. Let's just hoping. We still do tricks and stuff in our house. Oh, it's just ridiculous. But you know, in our 50s and we're still stupid playing games. It's only because we've got Kayla who's, no, she's 11. So she likes to be amused. Anyway, so today I want to show you another box that I purchased recently. I have done one of these videos before, but it was a long time ago, I must admit. And this is from Trendmood. I don't know if any of you have heard of Trendmood. So Trendmood is social media, and I can't remember the name of the woman who runs it, but basically on her site I would suggest sign up to follow her on Instagram. Really handy because she lets you know about sort of all new launches of products that are coming out. She just seems to be on it when it comes to products that are being launched in beauty, makeup obviously, particularly in the makeup sphere. And she's also started a beauty box. This, it's not a subscription, it just comes out sort of, I don't know, a few times a year. I'm trying to remember when she started this, maybe what, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. The last box I bought of this I think was volume 3. I think it was volume 2, volume 3. This is volume 24, and I thought, oh, this one I want to get. The price normally is about 40, it's usually around that sort of 40 to 44 kind of dollar range. But if you sign in early, you normally get a code. So because I'm registered and signed in, I get to purchase the box really early. So I managed to get this box for $34, which works out to about £28 maybe. And this time I got the box shipped directly to me because I wasn't going to wait. So I got the box shipped directly to me, and this arrived on Saturday. Yeah, I think it arrived on Saturday. Honestly, my brain. I think it arrived on Saturday, so it arrived fairly quickly in my opinion. I did have to pay shipping. So the shipping was an additional, it was like $10. So in the end, it cost me about $44 in total to get it over to me, which is not a lot when you think about it. Which is about 30 odd pounds, I would say. So in the Trendmood box, it's usually lots and lots of new launches, which is really exciting. Products that we might have seen, products that are going to be newly launched in the US, and sometimes products that have recently launched. So they're going to be launching or they've recently launched. I know there's one product in here which I've got already because I received it in an Ipsy, and I think that was the Elfa lipstick. So, you know, but everything else, new launches. So do you want to go ahead? Let's go ahead and have a look and see what I've got in here. Right, I've got to figure out how to open it. Right, I need the scissors. And if you're wondering about the makeup I'm wearing, a lot of the stuff I've got on my face is from the Juvia's mystery box that came out in February. It was a mystery box called Mystery Love Box. It was 4 full-size items in the box, and it was $10. It included an eyeshadow, a lipstick, eyeshadow palette. It was great. And well, it was an eyeliner as well, so it's 4 items, really good value. So that's something else to look out for in the future if they do one. Right, here we go, Trendmood. I'm actually quite excited because I haven't done one of these in ages, and I can't remember all the items. I only remember one item, and that was the Elfa. But it's just so nicely packaged, isn't it? This looks good. Nice presentation. But yeah, if this is something you're interested in, definitely follow her on Instagram, Trendmood, and get yourself registered if you're interested in getting these. And as I said, you can get it shipped over here to the UK. As I said, the price ranges, but it's usually around that $40 odd for it. But if you sign up early, you get a discount. Oh, there's a load of stuff in here. Right, let's start off with the product which I know is in here. She says, okay, yeah, here we go. So this is from Elfa. this looks like a bigger one than what I expected, and it's a glossy lip stain. And the shade I've got here is definitely a different colour from the one I've got, Spicy Sienna. The one I've got is more of a deep red. This one's got sort of brown undertones in it. Let's have a look. And if I can find the prices of these products, UK prices, I will put that on the screen over here. But Elfa kind of kicking it at the moment. They're really doing it. They've just launched another collaboration. Oh, who is it with again? It's with a drinks company, I think. I can't remember. But here we go. This is the lip stain. That's the colour. Do I want this? Because the one I got from Ipsy, it didn't come in the box. It looks very this looks very similar to the colour I've got already. I'm not going to keep this because I've got this already. I'm sure it's the same colour. And I haven't got it here, it's upstairs. But it looks very much like the same colour as I've got. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway. But yeah, so that's the first item from Elf. But I know it's products that's been recently released by Elf. So cool, that's the first item. And I think that's the lowest priced item in the box. So let's put that on there. I'm just going to pick things out randomly. Next is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is a lip velvet in the colour Parchment. I think there was 2 of these. I'm trying to see, I'm doing this and I'm kind of remembering now. I think there was 2 of these, and I think one of them, a colour I thought, right, okay, I could go with that, and the other one I was thinking, not so keen on. It's quite a big item, and I think this is it a matte Anastasia lip velvet liquid lipstick. This is the colour Parchment. This is not a colour for me. I could probably get away with it, but do I really want it? I don't know. This might go in my box for sale actually. And again, new released product. And I'm sure there was another one. Yeah, there is. Here's the other one. Is it the same thing? Yeah, Anastasia Lip Velvet Rouge. And this colour is Peachy Nude. Oh, okay. So I think this is the one I'm going to keep. And this is the one I'm going to do something with. Right, this is sealed as well. Yeah, there you go. So that one was much paler. So this is the Peachy Nude. And this is the Parchment. Peachy Nude Parchment. I think I'm going to keep this one, and this one is going to have something done with it. So it's either going to be sold on eBay or it's going to go in my box for sale. I'm more inclined to put it in my box for sale actually. So there's that. Then we have, this is from, oh yeah, this was something you get as a freebie if you use a particular code. I can't remember what the code was, but if you use a particular code, they were going to throw in this for you. So this is from Benefit Pore Professional Pore Primer. Yep, is that? Everyone's seen this. It's not a new product. A lot of people like it. Doesn't work for me. Don't know why, it just doesn't work for me. The primer that works for me from Benefit is the hydrating one, which is weird, isn't it? Because, you know, oily skin here. But the hydrating primer from Benefit is the one that works for me. This is the original one, I believe. Yeah, so I'm going to put this in the box for sale. So that's 2 items going in the box for sale. If you hear me talking about that, I'm doing a box for sale this month. It's going to cost £30. Plus £5 shipping. It's got a whole range of products in there, mainly makeup and skincare, and you've already seen 2 of the products I'm going to be putting in there already. It's going to have a lot of stuff in there. It's going to be worth well over £100, probably going towards £200 the value of the box. I make it worthwhile, trust me. Right, next item inside this box is from Pacifica. This is a brand I'm seeing quite a bit now in Ipsy, and this is a Future Youth Gravity Rebound Serum. Box is a little bit damaged, so that's that. What is this? Okay, so that's the box. So it is Future Youth Gravity Rebound Serum, Flora and Peptide 11, Peptide Strawberry Oil and Flowers, protect your skin barrier, improve the appearance of elasticity and firmness with our most advanced formulation, and it blends biochemistry with nature. So have we got the information in the back? I've never seen this product before. So future-proof your skin. Your skin is up against a lot, from air pollution to sunshine. Exposure to everyday stresses can be the main cause of skin aging. Our advanced biotech complex Flora Peptide is designed to help deeply moisturize to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, attract hydration and hold it, supporting the skin's barrier, boost radiance and improve texture with a lipofilling effect, improve the appearance of skin's elasticity and firmness. Good for all skin types. Okay, so that's my sort of skincare item, you know, and again that's going to be a product that's fairly new to the market. Then we've got something from Winky Lux. I like Winky Lux. I think they're a really cool little brand, affordable brand with nice products that are always good formulation and good quality. So this is from Winky Lux and it's Cheeky Rose Liquid Blush. Packaging is so cute, isn't it? So the colour I've got it in is Noble. Packaging is everything. Look at that. Packaging is everything. So that's a blush. So, you know, I like it when they make an effort with packaging. So we've got a gel cream blush. What does it say here? Shade is Noble. Love at first blush. L'amour au premier contact. Okay. So it's a gel cream blush, seamless velvet finish. It's buildable colour and evening primrose infused. I haven't got any blush on. Let's try this out. Oh, I like the little, so you just kind of dot it on. I like that. I like that kind of I like the applicator. Yep, and that works on my skin. So there's more light coming from that side, natural light. So I'm just putting a little bit more on so you can see it. But it's nice, I like the colour. And I can see this is a colour that would work on a lot of skin tones. And you can build it up to the effect you want. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. That's pretty. I like that. I like that. So that's cool. That's my daughter and husband coming back from their walk. Then we've got in here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it is a brow freeze gel. So this is going to be colour clear. I'm not going to keep this. So that's what it looks like. Is this a new product for Anastasia Beverly Hills? Must be. Must be a new product. Don't know if you can see that. There you are. Okay. I'm not going to keep that. So that's probably going to go on eBay for sale. I'll just have a look and see how much the retail price is, and then I'll put it up and offer it. A couple more products in here. I have got a from Bondi Boost Heat Protectant Spray. Oh, this is for hair. Okay. Heat Protectant Spray. A lightweight aloe-based multi-use heat protecting spray. Protects hair up to 450 degrees while improving split ends by, what's that say? 8-something% after one use. There you go. So something with your hair there. And the final product, is it a final product? Yeah, the final product in here is a looks like an eyeshadow palette from Divine Skies eyeshadow palette. This is a brand I've never heard of before either. EM Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. That's the design. What's it? I'm not a fan of small palettes. I like my big palettes, but we'll have a look. Don't want to judge yet. Okay, so these are all very warm colours. I know a lot of people won't like these because they don't like warm colours, but that works for me. I mean, it's not like I haven't got these colours in other palettes, but these are colours I would definitely wear. So that is cool. So I'm definitely keeping that. Just going to swatch that so you can see what the colours look like. So let's go. So we've got, okay. Right, so I've just done 5 of the colours. 1, can you see that? 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to do it this colour here, the darkest colour. So those are the colours. Yeah, all warm colours, but these are colours I would wear, so this suits me well. But I can imagine some people won't like that, because again, I think people tend to like, especially sort of lighter, fairer skinned people, tend to like more cooler colours and the neutral shades. And I'm one for pops of colour, so I can imagine, and I think people make the decisions based on the makeup in the boxes, if they're going to buy the boxes or not. So I can imagine this palette might have turned a few people off actually of buying it, but I'm happy with that. So that's the box. So 34, basically it was about £38 I think I paid, including shipping to me. So I've got an eyeshadow palette, I've got 2 liquid lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills and look like they're new launches. I'm keeping this colour, which is, which one was it? I'm keeping the parchment colour. Did I swatch this colour? Let me swatch it because I am keeping it. So that's the thing. Let's do the swatch. Oh, it's very moussey. Right. And it goes with the eyeshadow as well. I can, yeah, that's a kind of, that would be a cool look actually. Those colours work really well together. So yeah, I can definitely see me wearing that. The blush I already like, so that's staying with me. I've already said the Elf I am going to put in, what did I say I was going to put it in? I'm going to put it in my box for sale, so let me put that over there already. The heat spray will keep. The serum I'm keeping from Pacifica. The primer from Professional I'm putting in the box for sale. I think that was it, wasn't it? The Brow Freeze, I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to sell this on eBay. So there we go. Those are my products from the Trendmood Box, Volume 24. I really like that. I really like this box. I'm very happy I got it. Very happy I got it. Yep. Cool. Cool. There you go, guys. Let me know what you think down below. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your bank holiday and the rest of your week that's upcoming. Alright guys, take care. See you soon. Bye.